What's up, everybody? Oh, it's a good Friday, even though it's 5 o'clock or something like that, I think. We moved the cars around. The IS is on the lift, which means the engine's gonna be going in very shortly. It's a good day. I'm excited. Hayden's out ripping around right now in the Mustang, giving Ian, he's the guy that's next door, a little ride. In case anybody's interested, 2 months. I'm cutting this off in 2 months. I have a bunch of beard oil product that I'm not gonna throw away, so I'm gonna use it and then I'm gonna chop it all off. Probably this included. Anyway, car's up. This is going right here. Ian next door is test fitting a wheel, so I'm letting him borrow my front, which is over there. So I got a couple tires to bust, nobody's really interested in that. And then we're gonna get to work on this thing. Here we go. All right, so difficulty that we're having right now, because remember this is a 2JZ, of course it's a 2JZ, but it's a non VVTi bottom end. Well, it's just the issue that we're having. I'm just, vlogging. Anyways, we're vlogging. This side, you see that down in there?
They don't fit that well.
It fits.
I mean, we got them on the stock sides.
Yeah.
These motor mounts have no give,
But
they're just like not enough jiggle on this.
We're off by like, oh god, I'm hitting stuff over here. This side over here, we're off by a good ½ an inch. No, that's a good inch. That's a good inch right now.
It depends on when you shake it. We just don't have enough movement in the tunnel.
I think if we just throw this
firewall.
So I want to put this one on.
But everybody says not to do that.
Who's everybody? The internet?
Yeah.
Anyways, that's where we're at right now. So we're at a little bit of a standstill. So, if anybody's interested, 2JZ non VVTi bottom end did not line up as well as we were originally hoping. What we ended up doing to get this to fit the best that we possibly could is we ran 2 of the intake side motor mounts. So intake side on this side and intake side on that side. So it's flipped around to give it a little more room.
It's decent.
It's decent.
The trans and the driveline look fine. The motor is maybe just a little kinked, but mechanically it'll be fine. It bothers me from an OCD perspective, but
yeah, for him it bothers the hell out of him.
Not the hell. I've had a beer. It looks all right.
Bothers him a little bit. But I think it's fine enough. It's well enough to drive. We got underneath it, we hooked up the drive line to it, and we kind of just like eyeballed a lot of things. It looks like it's gonna be okay, and then it's not gonna cause any issues. So if anybody is ever doing this, I do believe, so I heard a small rumor that pre-95 non-VVTi bottom ends 2J-wise is a little bit different than 95 plus. So I think mine is going to be anywhere, you know, pre-95.
Did they make GSs and SCs after 95?
Yeah, GS300 is, went on to like 2004-ish, 5-ish.
Yeah.
And then before, like the quad headlight GS
Yeah.
was the longer headlight. Those are very rare to find, but that was like 90, I want to say 92, 93 on. And then the SC300 that had the 2J in it was like 93-ish on. Don't quote me.
Close enough.
Close enough.
Close enough for government work.
We're
Fired, I suppose.
All right, we're gonna close this down until he starts. He's gonna start that. Like, comment, subscribe. Love you all. Good night.